Okay, good evening folks. It's Thursday the 25th of February and it is 8:20 at night. Um, had a seen some good moves today. Took some profits on the pound dollar trade and yeah, there's a few potentials I was looking at last night that could be setting up now, so I'll just run through them. Um, the pound chief has finally sort of broken through this double thrust support level. It's a nice clean removal of that level, so tomorrow I'll be looking for a retracement towards this area here, and I'll be looking out for some sell setups to appear. um, I just feel like the way that the pound's going on all the other charts, pound dollar, pound yen, it's not looking good for the pound, so I'm expecting we'll certainly test this level, and if we can possibly get up to here before then, it should give us a nice opportunity to go short. So I'll be keeping a close eye on that. Again, just the opposite thing here, broken a double thrust to the top side, so I'll be looking to buy here tomorrow. So I'll be keeping an eye on these two pairs. They should basically run at the same time. And yeah, it looks like we're probably going to end up breaking this level up here. Aussie dollar, I was looking for, I've added a few positions here so it could be hard to see. This 88.76 level, I'm really looking for the market to fail here on a close tonight. We've actually sort of pushed up to that level now. We've got a 15-minute sell setup, just a TD sell setup, and we've got a 5-minute TDF sell setup. So I've added a few positions in here, and I'm hoping, we're going to come down here and hopefully close below this level. That was the thinking behind the trade. I know a few of you were following me on the group. Yeah, usually I want to wait till we actually remove it to a close, so I could be making a mistake here, but I just like this level. I like the way the market's bounced from it a few times now. So yeah, we'll see what happens there. We've got an initial target down here at 88, 43, 44, that'll be for me. So we'll see if we do react at this level. If we don't react at this level, then okay, need to start rethinking it, but we'll hopefully see how that one goes. Euro yen today is nothing really. It's interesting how well, actually, I was gonna say it's interesting how we got to the first target, but it was actually the pound dollar that made it to the first target today. But yeah, nothing here really for me. Nothing on the euro US dollar. It's just in the middle of nowhere doing nothing. Pound yen is making some good progress. I was looking for this at the start of the week, and it looks like it's happening now. Hopefully we may see this 132 target level of mine pretty soon. Looks like it's a fairly bearish day, and I expect it to continue. US dollar yen has removed the double thrust level here, so I've marked these two levels out, and I'll be keeping an eye on that chart tomorrow. So far I'm looking at the US dollar yen, the pound Swiss franc, and the euro against the pound, and I'm also going to keep an eye on the pound dollar. We took profits on this today at just above the 1.5200 level from this week's sell up at this bullish thrust low. As I've mentioned, I decided to take away that trade because there is potential for a bounce here. I'm hoping we'll get to the 1.5 area before we get that bounce, so at which point I'll look to add some more short positions, but I just wanted to protect this entry that I've got up higher here. So yeah, nothing on the US dollar Swiss franc, nothing on the US dollar Canadian dollar for me. So yeah, I'll be keeping an eye on the pound Swiss franc, the euro pound, The Aussie dollar's still obviously where we are. Hopefully I'll still be involved in that in the morning. And that pair, and the pound dollar, just for the possibility of a bounce, because we've made a nine count buy setup on the 4 hour chart, and we've hit my target level, basically just above it. So possibility of a bounce here, but like I said, I'd hope to see it get down to the 1.5 area before we get a proper bounce. So I'll just sort of keep a close eye on that. If we make a thrust bar on the 4 hour, retrace lower, and we get a 5 minute setup, I would imagine I'll probably look to take that just to sort of hedge the position that I've got already. So that's about it, folks. Good night.